Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kimaya. Happy 2025 to you all. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time क्योंकि this is my first video of 2025. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how you can achieve everything in 2025, and I think you have clicked on this video to know about the process and about everything that you are about to achieve in 2025. So let's get started with today's video. Let's reflect on 2024. How was your 2024? What you have done in 2024? What you wanted to do in 2024 but it did not happen? Everything. So, talking about my 2024, I have already made the video. You can go and check that out. I have made a detailed video. But let me give you a gist. In my previous year, it was 70-30. 70% was happy and 30% was blah. There were things that I wanted to do but I did not achieve. There were things that I did not expect but happened, and I think that's okay क्योंकि कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरे विजन बोर्ड में जो मैंने अचीव किया एंड कुछ कुछ चीज़ें नहीं किया, एंड दैट डजंट मीन कि मैंने उसके ऊपर वर्क ही नहीं किया. It was all about the process, efforts. Let's first write about the things that you are grateful for, the things that you achieved in 2024, the things that you did not expected but happened. After writing all the positive things about your previous year, it's time to reflect on the things that you worked on but did not happen. Let's say, for example, in your academic years you wanted to score 98 but you scored 96.8. So that does not mean you did not work hard. That does not mean you did not put your efforts. That does not mean you were lazy and you did not do anything. You tried your best, you gave your 100%. It just did not happen, and that's okay. At least you have achieved something. So just write the things down that did not happen, but you worked hard for it. After that, let's write which did not happen only. For example, if you wanted to travel abroad but it did not happen. Okay. So write down these things. Now after that, you have everything on a paper, in your notes app, anything. Again, coming to 2025, there are few things that you can do. One is the vision board, which is like hyped thing, and I have also made one video on vision board, on how you can make vision board, what is vision board, simplest ways to make a vision board. So I will link here somewhere, you can go and check that out. It's not necessary to print your vision board, it's not necessary to make vision board. You can always write down the things that you want to achieve. And also, guys, it's not about pretty pictures on Pinterest. It's not about your aesthetically looking vision board. What matters is your goals and how you want to achieve it. After that, looking forward to 2025 and what you want to do in 2025. So, your goals are ready, everything is ready. And one more thing, guys, goals are not about your professional and personal life. ये दो ही चीज नहीं होती. It's about your hobbies, it's about your well-being, it's about your fun things, it's about everything that you want to do for yourself, and not only in your professional life and personal life. It's not about relationships, friendships. No. Now the next step is to write the pointers. Now I have this book right here, and in this, I have put my 2025 goals. Just make pointers on the things that you have to focus on: health, personal life, professional life, your hobbies, and anything else, the things you want to learn, anything that you want, just write it down like the pointers. And for example, mine is health, prioritizing my health. So उसके नीचे क्या आता है? Eat less junk food and go to the gym, work out, do yoga, do walking. So like that, so you can just write things down like the sub things, and you're good to go. Now you have your vision with you, what you want to do, everything is there. Also, don't just push yourself a lot. Take rest, do fun things. Like I have also written to have the fun, like read at least 15 books, go watch a movie, go out with friends. It will make you feel calm, it will make you feel happy. So do things that make you feel happy rather than just burning yourself to reach the goal. So just have proper goals, just be clear on what you want to achieve and what you want to do. What I have learned and what I just wanted to share is that it's not about manifesting, it's not about achieving that goal, it's not about seeing other people and feeling low about yourself, having low esteem, having doubts in your head. It happens because we always compare ourselves with others. So just remember that it's okay if you haven't achieved the goal, and it's okay if you have even manifested it and it didn't happen. It's okay. Just enjoy the process. Just don't think about that too much कि मेरे साथ ही नहीं हुआ, मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया, मैंने बहुत एफर्ट्स लिए फिर भी मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, इनका कैसे हो गया वो ला 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 ला। जस्ट डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट। मे बी जो आपके विजन बोर्ड में नहीं था स्टार्टिंग से और उसके कुछ अलग ही अच्छी चीज हुई, दैट कुड हैव हैपेंड, राइट? सो जस्ट इग्नोर, क्योंकि विजन बोर्ड आपका बदलता रहता है। यू हैव पुट विजन, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि वही चीज होंगे, राइट? some other thing could have some other thing can happen which will make you extra happy, which you haven't pre-decided, and that could have happened, and which is great. For example, मैं मेरा बताती हूँ कि ऐसे मैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ. So I have already mentioned in my 2024 वाला कि मेरा विजन क्या था, to have 1k subscribers on Insta, 1k subscribers on YouTube, and it did not happen. But the thing that happened is कि though my subscribers were increasing gradually, वो धीरे 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 increase हो रहा अभी भी, and it's not that कि मैंने वो गोल अचीव करने के लिए आई डिड नॉट वर्क. इट्स नॉट लाइक पुट माई 100% एफर्ट्स, आई डिड एवरीथिंग आई कुड, आई पोस्टेड consistently, but it did not happen. But that doesn't mean I did not do anything, or that doesn't mean कि I completely procrastinated and I just had that in my vision board and I did nothing. That did not happen, right? So the point was to just enjoy the process. You have done your best, and it's okay if did not happen, but you did your best. You put your 100%, and that's the thing you should be proud of. Yeah, and I saw one. So there's this influencer YouTuber called Kelly Wakasa, and आई लाइक हिम, आई लाइक एशली, तो एशली की वजह से मैंने उसका यूट्यूब देखना चालू किया, एंड ही इज़ अ ग्रेट एडिटर, ही इज़ अ ग्रेट स्टोरी टेलर. सो उसने उसके एक यूट्यूब वीडियो में एक सेंटेंस बोला था दैट I don't share my vision board with anyone. I don't share my vision with anyone because if I share and they will appreciate me or they will give their advices, and in my brain I'll think that I have achieved it and I'm satisfied with that. So आप मतलब उसके ऊपर वर्क ही नहीं कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपको ऑलरेडी आपने बता दिया है सबको, एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी अप्रिशिएटेड यू फॉर दैट एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन देयर एडवाइसेस. तो आपके ब्रेन को ऐसा लगता है कि I'm done. We have already done this thing and they'll get satisfied. तो आप उसके ऊपर वर्क ही नहीं करोगे. Which is I think so true कि आपको वो तसल्ली मिल गई तो आप वो चीज़ नहीं करते. So just make sure कि आपके गोल्स जो भी है कुछ भी हो, आप थोड़ा सा प्राइवेट रखो उस चीज़ को. And once it is done, tell everyone कि I did this and I'm proud of this thing. एंड या आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से दिस थिंग कि डोंट वरी, आपका 2025 अच्छा जाएगा. जस्ट बिलीव इन योर ओन प्रोग्रेस, बिलीव इन योर ओन प्रोसेस एंड प्रोग्रेस बोथ. एंड आई एम मैनिफेस्टिंग फॉर एवरीवन कि आपका 2025 अच्छा जाए. जो भी अपनी चीज़ आपको चीज़ जो भी अचीव करनी है वो आप अचीव कर पाओ, एंड यू विल फील ग्रेट अबाउट इट, यू विल फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट. And just focus on yourself rather than focusing on what others are doing, because I'm proud of you and I'm proud of the progress that you have made. And आपका 2025 अच्छा जाए, सब happy happy जाए. मेरी सब पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज आपके लिए एंड प्लीज लेट्स हिट 1K subscribers very very soon. I will be so happy. But yeah, this was my first video of 2025. I hope you guys liked it and see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. That's it. बहुत बोल दिया मैंने. I have decided to have this chit chat session on my channel because I love yapping. Yapping is my favorite thing to do. I can talk for hours without getting bored. I can talk on any topic. मैं एक टॉपिक से दूसरे टॉपिक पर कब जाऊंगी आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. But I think I'm going to do this more because I love it. I love talking to you guys. Not you guys on the camera, but feelings मेरे आपके साथ है. Bye. Love you all. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!